just coming in here real quick to share how I prep my Jimmy Dean sausages. As you can see how big I made them, and this is what I use to store. Wait a minute, where am I trying? This is what I use to I don't know, I can't think. It's early in the morning, y'all. This paper right here, y'all see these papers on this meat? These are some parchment paper used for round cake pans, and I just take 2 of them and I place the sausage inside. See how easy? This has been in the freezer for a few days, and they just come right off. So don't sleep on the parchment cake rounds parchment papers, or I don't know if it's different from just the regular parchment paper, but I don't know if it's all the same. Just try it out and see. But this is how I prep my sausages after I make the patties to store them in the refrigerator. I place them in between 2 cake pan size parchment papers, and they stack on top of each other. They don't stick, and it comes right off. Like I said, it's been in the freezer. I'm about to cook some sausage this morning. And then on top of that, this white paper you're looking at is some freezer paper. Hold on a second. Bye everybody, I'm done. After I wrap them up in the parchment papers, then I place it inside of this Reynolds. This is the brand I'm just using. Plastic coated freezer paper. It goes on the product goes on the plastic side, the shiny side. And then they keep it from being freezer burned, and it's all working out good. So this is just me, Janita. I'll just say, cooking with these gadgets. Coming in here just sharing how I keep store my sausages, and I do my ground beef patties the same way. Just place them in between. I got a lot of these papers, but some people might say it's a waste, but it's not, because I like to just get to my meat easily without, using some kind of knife or something, that way. Trying to get in between whatever you done made, preps and patties, and you don't have this particular kind of paper, or you put it in wax paper or plastic, and then they all stuck and frozen together. But with this good ass, cake, these are cake, like I said, cake parchment paper, round papers, and they're great. I use them to, as you can see, prep my burgers, meat, anything I want to make into a round patty. Okay, that's all I wanted to share. I don't know. It's early in the morning, struggling with what I need, trying to tell y'all.